Yeah, it's clean now, I know that.
You just got to keep one eye on the dog. One eye on...
Sheena, come here. Come
here. Choke that fucker, man. Alright, moment of truth, kids.
No. No.
Oh yeah! You fucking almost dead center there, bro.
In the red.
Oh. In the red.
Cool. You know, not a lot of people can say they fired a 100-year-old
No.
gun.
Not hardly. And this actually we figured, or Dick figured, it hadn't been shot in at least 100 years, but it's probably 150 fucking years old, man. Woo!